Hello everyone, welcome back to Season Cuisine. So this is day 6 of my 12 days of Christmas series, and today I am making some coquito from Puerto Rico, and I feel like it tastes way better than eggnog in my opinion. So if you want to see how to make this delicious and easy recipe, keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to Season Cuisine. So today I am very excited because I am making coquito, and I went to Puerto Rico for the first time in December last year, and I just fell in love with the culture. I fell in love with the food, the people, the music, the architecture. And one thing I have to say is Puerto Ricans, they love Christmas. I mean, they love Christmas so much that they had Christmas trees in the club, in the restaurants, and some people even had 3 Christmas trees just in their living room. So I felt like for my 12 days of Christmas, it was just necessary for me to make some coquito. So I have Bacardi white rum. That's what I am using, but you can use some dark rum, and you can use any rum that you want. But when we went to Puerto Rico, I know one of the tours they had, we didn't go to it, but they had the Bacardi factory tour, so I just felt like, why not? And then I have my dairy over here, so I'm starting off with my condensed milk. I also have some evaporated milk, coconut milk, and I have 1 can of coconut cream. And it was very hard to find coconut cream because I wanted Coco Lopez and I looked everywhere for it, and I finally found it on Instacart, and then apparently they sold out, and the person that delivered my groceries substituted with this instead. So I'm using this brand today, and I'm also using some pure vanilla extract. So please use pure vanilla and not imitation vanilla. And you can use ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg, but I am going to steep these into some water or milk. I haven't decided yet, but maybe a combination of 2 just to enhance the flavors. But if you don't want to do the step, you can just do it the easier way and just use some ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg and just put that in the blender. You don't have to boil anything. And these 2 are optional. I decided to add it last minute because I saw some people use some star anise and some cloves. You don't have to, but I'm just gonna add a little because I feel like they will add a lot of flavor to the drink. So this is what I am using for my coquito, so let's start cooking. So in a pot, I am adding 1 cup of water because I wanted to loosen up my coquito a little because it is too creamy for me. But I recommend that you add 1 can of evaporated milk instead to steep all of your spices. And I just added my cinnamon stick, some star anise, some cloves, and some nutmeg. Let that steep on medium fire for about 5 minutes until it starts getting this beautiful, nice brown color. And then turn off your fire and just let all of the spices sit in the water until it is completely cool. Strain out all of your spices, and then we're going to use the water to add it to our coquito. So now in a blender, I am adding my milk, and I'm starting off with my coconut cream. And I recommend that you blend your coconut cream first before you add all of the other milk inside of your blender because it is so chunky. I made the mistake of adding everything first, and I had to go back in and pour everything back in the blender, blend it 1 more time so that it will be completely smooth. But once you're done blending all of your mixture, find a bigger place to put it because I needed more space to add my alcohol. And since I didn't want all of my drink to be to have alcohol, I actually divided it in half, kept half so that me and my mom and my family can have the non-alcohol one, and then my friends can have the other one. But I just added the mix that we boiled, and I also added some pure vanilla extract. And finally, I am adding my white rum, but you can use any rum of your choice. But this is it, guys. If you love this video and you want to see more of my 12 days of Christmas series, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Thank you so much. Bye.